In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use smart lists for targeted chasing, so you can quickly identify exactly which customers owe you money and take action faster. If you're tired of manually checking individual accounts or scrolling through endless contact lists, this method will save you a huge amount of time and help you stay on top of your cash flow. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along inside Xero. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, practical software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing we want to do is find specific customers who owe us more than a certain amount or are overdue beyond a certain number of days. To get started, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Contacts. From the drop-down, select All Contacts. This will open up your full contact list, including customers and suppliers. Now, instead of manually filtering through every single contact, we're going to use smart lists. Smart lists allow you to create dynamic filters based on conditions you set. These conditions automatically group contacts that meet specific criteria, which makes targeted chasing incredibly efficient. Inside the Contacts area, look for the Smart Lists option. Click on Smart Lists to open the available filtering tools. Here, you can either use an existing smart list or create and adjust conditions to match your chasing strategy. For targeted chasing, a very common and powerful condition is overdue invoices. For example, you might want to see all customers who are overdue by more than 7 days. Select a condition such as overdue greater than 7 days. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to refine this further by adding additional criteria such as an outstanding balance above a certain amount. This is especially useful if you want to prioritize higher value debts first. Once you've selected your condition, double-check that it reflects exactly what you want. For example, confirm that it's filtering by the correct number of overdue days or the correct balance threshold. This step is important because your chasing list will only be as accurate as the conditions you set. After you're happy with the condition, click Run. When you click Run, Xero will generate a filtered list of contacts that match your selected criteria. Within seconds, you'll see exactly which customers fall into that overdue category. This list now becomes your targeted chasing list. Instead of guessing who to follow up with, you have a clear, data-driven group of contacts who require attention. From here, you can click into each contact to review their outstanding invoices, send reminders, or begin your normal credit control process. One of the biggest advantages of using smart lists is that they update dynamically. That means as invoices are paid or become overdue, the list automatically adjusts. You don't need to recreate it every time. This makes it perfect for weekly or even daily chasing routines. You can also create multiple smart lists for different strategies. For example, one list for invoices overdue more than 7 days, another for 30 days overdue, and another for high-value accounts above a specific balance. This allows you to segment your chasing process and prioritize effectively. By using smart lists in this way, you move from reactive chasing to proactive credit control. Instead of waiting until cash flow becomes an issue, you're consistently monitoring and acting on real-time data. So just to quickly recap, go to Contacts, click All Contacts, open Smart Lists, choose a condition such as overdue greater than 7 days, and click Run to generate your targeted list. From there, you can begin chasing the right customers with confidence. That's how you use smart lists for targeted chasing inside Xero. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.